Well, now, after that breakfast fiasco, I'm going to show Helios what breakfast do we eat in the morning. Yeah. Are you excited, Helios? Because I am ready.
Ready? Ooh.
So today, for our first breakfast, we're going to make fruit salad. Okay, so we have a bunch of fruits in front of us. So let me introduce it to you.
Yeah.
A kiwi.
Kiwi.
Banana.
Banana.
Dragon fruit. There's white.
Fruit.
There's like the normal dragon fruit, which is like white meat inside. And then this is the red dragon fruit. Papaya. Melons. Mango, and watermelon.
Yeah.
So these are what we're going to eat for fruit salad today. And some people like to add Greek yogurt to it.
Oh.
There's actually some flavored yogurt, but it's actually healthier to eat this Greek yogurt, this natural yogurt.
Oh.
So let me start with this watermelon. So watermelon is really big, so we can buy a half a watermelon like this one, or you can buy like pre-cut watermelon. So we already pre-cut all of these fruits because it's really big. So make sure to tell your parents to help you cut. So now we're going to cut it into small pieces. So many people or many parents don't want their kids in the kitchen is because of safety. So if you follow these safety hacks that I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be fine. You can go in the kitchen anytime and get your favorite food. So first,
all your foods.
A cutting board. Make sure your cutting board won't move as much, so when you cut, it won't move, and then just like cut your hands like this. So how do you prevent it from moving? Get a cloth, put it under the cutting board, and it won't move. It's sturdy right now. Okay, so these two is actually when I first started to learn how to cook. So Helios, you're going to use this one.
Okay.
And I'm going to use this big adult knife. Let me tell you how to hold a knife. I'm just going to use this baby knife to show. There is like the handle part. It consists of two parts. The handle and the blade. So even though this one is not the sharp corner, it can also cut things. So don't touch it. And this baby knife is not really sharp, but be careful also. So you won't hold this part. You just hold the handle. So if you want to give someone your knife, you give it like this, and then the blade towards you, and then you give it, and then they will hold this and then go. So this is a safety of the knife. So now that we have learned the basics of like the anatomy of a knife, let's start. So what do you want to cut first, Helios?
Let me see.
There is a lot of fruits for you to choose.
Yeah.
So Helios just said banana, so I'm just going to cut banana. So if you haven't eaten a banana, which I don't think you haven't, you peel it off like a monkey. Banana. Banana's sweet. So I really like banana to make like banana shakes or something like that. Knife. Okay, so now let me tell you how to cut it, like how to hold food while cutting it. You kind of do it like a claw thingy, so you just grab it like this, and then just do it like this. And then why? It's because you don't want your fingertips to get cut. So for example, my hand is a knife. If you just hold it like this, and then you cut, you're holding like the food, you cut it like this. So you're gonna cut your hands, Helios. But if you do it like this, you will cut. It's going to be face to face, like this, and the friction won't like cut you. Okay, next one. Red dragon fruit. You just like cut it into strips first and then cut it into small pieces. The thing about red dragon fruit, it will like dye your hands. Next one. This is what? This is melon.
Melon.
So, okay. A next skill or next tip is to always put your fruit flat. So for example, this banana, it's round, right? So it will move around. Remember that. So you need to cut like this so that it has a flat surface, and then you can cut it.
Looks yummy, Nana.
Okay, watermelon.
Oh, I think that's my favorite. I don't know what it tastes like, but it looks so juicy.
Okay, next one, papaya.
Ooh.
Okay, last one, kiwi. You use a spoon, and then you just kind of like do the sides, like
Ooh.
scoop it out.
Ooh. A bowl of kiwi.
Okay, so this is our finished fruits, and I'm just going to mix it up and then eat it.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a rainbow right now, like this. Let me show you.
Rainbow. Wow.
Rainbow. So this is the end of our first episode. So bye-bye.
Bye.